Welcome to DACO, where forgotten objects, creative garden ideas, and timeless outdoor charm come together to create spaces full of character. Today, we are exploring rustic cottage garden art using recycled treasures, transforming vintage finds and everyday discarded pieces into beautiful decorations that can make any outdoor space feel wonderfully personal. From weathered containers and old garden tools to reclaimed wood, vintage metal pieces, and charming architectural fragments, recycled treasures can become artistic focal points throughout a cottage garden. Instead of searching for perfectly matched decorations, this approach celebrates imperfections, patina, age, and the stories that old objects seem to carry. If you love creative garden transformations and beautiful outdoor spaces, make sure to subscribe to DACO, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which recycled garden idea inspires you most, and stay with us as we discover 8 imaginative ways to give forgotten treasures a new life outdoors. One of the easiest ways to introduce recycled character into a cottage garden is by turning old containers into decorative planters. Galvanized buckets, chipped ceramic pots, wooden crates, enamel basins, and vintage tins can all become charming homes for flowers, herbs, and trailing greenery. Their aged surfaces create an effortless sense of history that modern garden accessories often struggle to reproduce. Try arranging several mismatched containers together rather than placing them individually. A weathered bucket beside an old wooden box and a faded ceramic vessel can create a relaxed composition, especially when filled with plants in different shapes and textures. Allowing a little moss, peeling paint, or natural wear to remain visible can make the display feel authentic rather than overly polished. For an especially artistic arrangement, elevate some containers on reclaimed bricks, old stools, wooden planks, or salvaged stone. Varying their heights creates visual rhythm while making even a small garden corner feel layered and intentional. With the right planting choices, these forgotten objects can become some of the most memorable features in the entire landscape. Old gardening tools can become wonderfully decorative when they are no longer needed for practical work. Rusty spades, worn rakes, vintage watering cans, hand trowels, and aged wheelbarrows can be incorporated into borders, pathways, fences, and planting areas. Their familiar shapes immediately reinforce the nostalgic atmosphere of a cottage garden. An old watering can, for example, can become a sculptural planter filled with cascading flowers. A weathered wheelbarrow can hold a generous mixture of seasonal blooms, while vintage hand tools can be grouped against a garden shed wall as an informal rustic display. The goal is not perfection, but rather a natural arrangement that makes the objects appear as though they have always belonged there. Consider combining these pieces with climbing plants, flowering borders, and reclaimed materials so that the vintage objects gradually become part of the landscape. When greenery softly surrounds an old tool or spills over the edge of a weathered container, the contrast between natural growth and aged craftsmanship creates a wonderfully romantic garden art effect. Reclaimed wood is another versatile material for creating rustic garden art. Old fence boards, salvaged shutters, barn-style planks, wooden crates, and worn doors can be transformed into signs, planter boxes, decorative backdrops, or simple garden structures. Scratches, faded finishes, and uneven textures become valuable design features rather than flaws. A collection of reclaimed boards can form a rustic backdrop for potted plants, while an old wooden shutter can be repurposed as a vertical display for small containers. Even a simple wooden frame positioned behind a flower bed can create the impression of a miniature outdoor artwork. These projects work particularly well because they combine function with visual storytelling. Keep the finish simple and let the original character of the wood remain visible. A restrained arrangement of plants, vintage objects, and reclaimed timber can create a beautifully relaxed atmosphere without making the garden feel crowded. Sometimes the most effective garden art is simply an old material placed thoughtfully within a living landscape. Discarded metal objects can add structure and personality to a cottage garden while providing an appealing contrast against soft foliage and colorful flowers. Old gates, wire baskets, metal frames, bicycle parts, decorative grills, and weathered containers can all become unexpected pieces of garden sculpture. Their aged surfaces bring texture and visual depth to otherwise natural planting areas. A vintage metal frame can be positioned among climbing plants to create a distinctive garden feature, while an old wire basket can hold trailing greenery or seasonal flowers. Even individual pieces of salvaged metal can be arranged into simple sculptural compositions, especially when surrounded by grasses, herbs, or flowering perennials that soften their hard edges. Rust and weathering can actually enhance this style when used thoughtfully. Rather than trying to make every recycled piece look new, embrace the marks of age and let them contribute to the cottage garden aesthetic. The combination of aged metal, natural stone, timber, and abundant greenery creates a landscape that feels collected over time rather than designed all at once. Some of the most charming garden decorations can come from objects that were never intended for outdoor use. Old bottles, glass jars, teacups, baskets, picture frames, kitchen utensils, and decorative dishes can all be incorporated into creative garden displays. When grouped thoughtfully, These ordinary objects can become whimsical accents that add personality to quiet corners. Try placing vintage jars along a reclaimed shelf, arranging old cups around a planter, or using decorative frames to highlight particularly beautiful sections of foliage. A collection of similar objects can create repetition, while deliberately mismatched treasures can produce a more eclectic cottage-inspired appearance. The key is to create a visual connection between the objects and the surrounding plants. Small treasures are especially useful for adding interest to spaces that might otherwise be overlooked. A forgotten corner beside a shed, a narrow pathway, or an empty section beneath a tree can become an engaging vignette with just a few carefully chosen pieces. These miniature compositions encourage the garden to reveal something interesting wherever the eye travels. A rustic cottage garden becomes even more enchanting when recycled treasures are arranged into dedicated decorative corners. Imagine an old bench surrounded by flowering pots, a reclaimed gate covered with climbing greenery, or a weathered cabinet transformed into a plant display. These arrangements create little moments of discovery throughout the landscape. Layering is particularly important when designing these spaces. Place taller plants and vertical elements toward the back, medium-sized containers through the center, and lower-growing flowers or ground cover toward the front. Add a few vintage objects between the plants to create a sense of depth and make the entire arrangement feel naturally collected. The beauty of this approach is that there is no single formula to follow. A cottage garden can be elegant, whimsical, rustic, romantic, or slightly quirky depending on the treasures you choose. By combining objects that already have character with plants that grow freely and naturally, you can create an outdoor space that feels inviting, nostalgic, and completely unique. Rustic cottage garden art proves that beautiful outdoor design does not have to depend on expensive decorations. Recycled containers, reclaimed wood, vintage tools, salvaged metal, and everyday treasures can all become meaningful garden features when they are arranged with creativity and care. Their imperfections often provide the very character that makes a cottage garden feel warm and timeless. The next time you discover an old object that seems ready for the rubbish pile, pause and imagine what it could become outdoors. With a little creativity, that forgotten treasure might turn into a planter, sculpture, backdrop, garden accent, or charming focal point that gives your landscape an entirely new personality. Thank you so much for watching Daco and joining us for these rustic cottage garden art ideas. If you enjoyed the inspiration, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite recycled garden treasure. Keep creating, keep reimagining, and we will see you in the next Daco garden design inspiration.